Hey, what's happening, guys? Andy here, and in today's video, I'm going to take a good hard look at a VPN service called VPNSecure, what to expect, and whether it's worth your time and money. So VPNSecure is a virtual private network provider that has built its own VPN clients as well as its server hardware and software. This has helped it become one of the fastest VPNs, and its service is almost as fast as my favorite VPN, which is ExpressVPN, but I'll talk more about that later. One key feature is that all aspects of their service are entirely customized. And while its speeds are great, I found that its unblocking capabilities aren't. Unfortunately, it's unable to unblock Netflix. So if you want to find a vendor that can, I'd suggest that you look elsewhere. Now, on the upside, VPNSecure provides a truly global network with 80 servers in 30 countries, including United States, Portugal, Australia, Brazil, United Kingdom, Australia, France, Germany, India, Japan, Mexico, Spain, Switzerland, and a whole bunch more. Also, with this global network of exclusive servers, VPNSecure provides fast and reliable connections, OpenVPN, and SSH SOCKS protocols, and 128-bit and 256-bit key encryptions. Next, it's helpful that VPNSecure servers do not keep logs of internet activity, and there are no bandwidth or switching limits and no speed caps. VPNSecure also offers HTTP proxy. Now check this out. Another feature VPNSecure offers is a smarter DNS package, which allows users to access geographically restricted websites and some of the streaming services like BBC iPlayer, Pandora, Spotify, even HBO Go, and a few others. And you can do all this without needing a proxy service. Now again, VPNSecure cannot unblock Netflix US, and even the BBC iPlayer streams were annoyingly slow. So if you're looking for a VPN that can bypass Netflix geo restrictions, I recommend ExpressVPN. Thanks to the super fast speeds, HD quality, and hassle-free streaming. In the description below, I'll even put a link to check out the ExpressVPN as well, so you can learn more about that one. Okay, so one more thing that I do like about VPNSecure is that it's easy to install, configure, and use. Users can take advantage of the extensive and detailed knowledge base available at the service's website. Also, VPNSecure is compatible with Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and Linux. Of course, this means that it can be used on most desktop and laptop computers, as well as with most mobile devices, such as smartphones and tablets. As an added option, it can also be used on DDWRT and Tomato routers. Now, in terms of subscription plans, which I know is what you're all wondering about, VPNSecure offers 1 month, 6 month, and 1 year VPN plans. Now, these include all the features offered by the VPNSecure. Of course, the longer subscription period represents substantial savings in comparison with the 1 month subscription. VPNSecure also offers some advanced plans, including 1 month HTTP proxy and 1 month smarter DNS. Now, you might be wondering, so how does VPNSecure compare for reliability and support? Well, in regards to the customer support, I'd have to say that they're usually efficient and quick to reply. They can be contacted through an email ticketing system or by a live chat feature. And I had no problem getting useful information from their staff, and I did so when I was using the chat feature. But at times, it took a long time before someone became available. Just something to be mindful of. And I also like that they have a clear refund policy, which includes a 90-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. And then after 7 days, you can ask for a refund if you still can't connect after contacting customer support and going through all the troubleshooting. But you would need to request a refund within 90 days. Okay, so the bottom line is that VPNSecure is a decent VPN service that provides a large list of server locations with a choice of encryption levels. They keep no logs and place no limits on bandwidth or data quotas. Now, VPNSecure Smarter DNS package is a great feature. I mean, it allows you to view geo-restricted websites without needing to go through any proxy services, but there are some slow speeds. Now, yes, it is nice that they give you different pricing plans for each service, but they may not be the cheapest if you're looking for an all-encompassing package. For that, I think ExpressVPN offers much better value for the money, both in terms of the cost and the features available. All right, so thank you so much for watching my video, and in case you are interested in trying out ExpressVPN, I will put a special discount link for you in the description area below so that you can save even more money. And as always, if you have any questions at all, please leave a comment, and don't forget to like this video if you found this review at all helpful to you. And remember to subscribe to this channel if you want to stay up to date on VPNs.